So today we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is lesson number 6, solid, liquids and gases. So students, we have discussed these things in our previous class. So our first topic is matter. So matter is a substance which has mass and which occupies space. Matter is classified into three parts: solid, liquids and gases. The examples of solids are: you have seen a number of things in your surroundings. In your room, you have seen fan, table, chair, box, etc. So, these all things are solid because in solids the molecules are closely packed and there is no space in between the molecules. So, the shape of the molecule is fixed, the size is also fixed, and the volume of the solids are also fixed. It will remain same, and the intermolecular force in solids are very strong because the molecules are very closely packed. In case of liquid, the molecules are far away from each other. The examples of liquids are water, milk, oil, etc. Liquids have no shape, no size, but liquid have volumes. The intermolecular force is not too much strong as solid, but it is weaker than solid. In case of gas, the molecules are far away from each other, very far away from each other, and the intermolecular force is very weak. The examples of gases are air, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. The gases also have no shape, no size, and gases do not have any volume. Our next topic is soluble impurities. Soluble impurities are those impurities which are soluble in water. For example, germs and salt. These impurities can't be seen with our eyes. Insoluble impurities are those impurities which do not dissolve in water. For example, sand or stone. These impurities can be seen with our eyes. So, our next part, this is our first part, and our second part will be introduced in our next video. Thank you, students.